been so long since you've done it. So will we start by doing another trigonometry question? Yeah? Okay, let's have a look at the next trigonometry. That's semester 2, so I can do that when we go to semester 2 for sure. I can do some probability. Oh well, I said I only have semester 1 probability. Might have to have a look. Okay. DIFC, past papers, IFY, maths 2014, half maths, version 2. There we go.
Are you winning the
I am. But second place is Connell. So I have 59 points. Connell has 55 points.
Mark?
Last?
Dennis.
No. No, amazingly no. Michelle's like third or something. No, the principal's last. But Connor is very happy because he was last. No, he's not. You know Connor, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. He's in the middle.
Is there any penalty? No, I mean like the last one.
There's a big difference between the first and the last.
No, I mean the last didn't do anything.
Huh? Is it no. So you lose your €5. Yeah.
Jonas said something about 100.
100? No. Well, actually,
England and the one before Iceland.
he won 100.
He come up with 100. I don't know where.
Don't listen to Donald. I know Donald doesn't gamble, so don't listen to him, okay? I wouldn't believe that story. He's in the middle, you know. It's just, it would be embarrassing to be Connor or Kalina or someone, because they're quite far down, you know. This looks like it. No, that's an ugly looking one. Nice. Okay, I know. We'll take our time, okay? So can you see the first part there? They want a sketch. Your favourite, I know. Yeah. Be strong, Alfred. So the first question is a sketch, okay? And to be careful with this sketch because, as you can see, it's minus 360 to 360. Finish the graph? No. Got a sketch? Let's see. What's the highest point? What number? Nice. Okay, let's have a look at this one since some people are finished. Right, can you, Junwei, what's the equation? Actually, no, give me just my pen back. Come on. There we go. Pen. Y equals... Did you not write it down? Go ahead, what is it? 2 sine a half x. So, start end, min, max, start at 0, we end at 360, we go from -1 to 1, huh?
Not from minus 360 to
No, that's not how these tables work. You start with the normal one and then build it up. So the 2 here will change the min and the max, and the half will, what will it do? Expand. So it goes 0, 720, yeah, -2 and 2. Okay, so if we try and draw that, come on. Yeah. Right. Yeah, nice. Right, so we'll say that's -2, that's 2, that's the y equals, the graph is 2 sine a half x. And now, to just be careful here, so I actually have to go to 720, but I don't actually need all of 720 because I'm just going to 360. So there's 720, 360 is here. This is 180. And what's this, 470 or something, isn't it? 420?
500.
Oh my goodness, what's wrong with
You
me?
need
What is it?
540.
540. And then we have the same thing here. -720, -360, -540, -180. So our box, yeah, is like this. And sine, where does it start?
0.
Starts at 0, doesn't it? Let's see your graph. The other graph, the original. Yeah, okay. Now, it'll go up here, down to here, and then down to here, and then to here. And then we copy, paste. You will do this much neater, of course, in your book. So we copy, paste. But I actually only need it from here to here. So this is what you should have. Yeah. Did you get that? Yeah. I don't get full marks because I never wrote here. Never get full marks. Okay. How many marks was that now?
4. Maybe.
3. Right, the next one is another sentence or equation. They explain the transformation and you have to write the equation. A lot for, very easy for 2 marks. If your English is okay. You got it? Okay, can we do this one now? Should be enough time. So the cost has been reflected through the x and translate it through the y. So it's being reflected through the x, like this. No.
Outside.
Yeah, it's outside. Reflected through the x means it's being turned upside down. And then translated 1 unit, so +1. So that's the answer. Yeah. Is that okay? That's great for 2 marks. 2 marks. Okay. Now the fun one. Yeah. Exciting. So let's see. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Right, so we have this figure as shown. Now these are badly written. I usually go, when I want to show things are parallel, I usually just put little arrows like this, not these big ugly blue arrows that is on the diagram. Anyways, no matter. This and this are parallel. That's what they mean. Right, so you have other information here, and you are to find sine x. Yeah, show that it's this, so basically find it. So they're looking for sine x. See what you can do. Now it's only 2 marks, so it shouldn't be too difficult. See what you can do. And please note, I think this is really the key here, they give you the area of ABC. Oh, by the way, what mistake have they made in the exam? Disgraceful. Centimetre squared. So 384 is the area of ABC, which is this triangle. So the key here is the area formula. A half AB sine C should equal 384. So a half 48 34. So a half 38. What did I say the other side was?
48, 34.
34 48. 34 48 sine x equals 384. Okay, so let's try and simplify this a bit. It'll be 34 times 24 sine x equals 384. So sine x equals 384 over 34 times 24. Okay, so 192 and 12. Yeah? 6 and 81. 3 and 27. Wait. 1 and 9. No, something went wrong. Not 3, 2. No calculator. 2 and 27. So we have 27 over 68. Yeah? No. So I can divide by 8, it looks like, is it? Or divide by... Okay, calculator. Right, so what do you get here?
8
No.
over 7.
That's what I said. 8 over 17. Great. Okay, the next one now is find cos x. Maybe I should get my calculator out. This might be a good idea. Okay. Cos x is not too bad because we can just do cos x equals square root 1 minus sine squared x. (15 over 17). Yeah. Okay, next. Now get the length of CD. CD is this side here. So what's this side?
What's cos x?
15 over 17. Yes, they are. Yes. So what to use? The cosine rule. Cosine rule, yeah. So if we call this side CD or call it L, we can have L squared, what are the two sides? 32 and 34. So L squared equals 32 squared plus 34 squared minus twice 32, 34, and cos x, which we just calculated as 15 over 17. Wait, that's it? And then we just have to square root that fella. So we get 32 squared plus 34 squared minus twice 32, 34, 15 over 17, 2 root 65, or 16.12. Yeah. So that's equal to 2 root 65, or if you want, that's 16.1 centimeters. Right. See, this isn't as difficult as it looked at first. You were freaking out over there. Oh, okay. Find angle Y. Lame. Right, get me angle Y. I think I would use, well, what would you use? Sine radius. So we have here sine x over our previous answer, 2 root 65, equals sine y over 32. And we actually know what sine x is. What did we say it was? 8 over 17, that's sine x, 32 over 2 root 65, that's sine y, so let's see what we get. 8 over 17 times 32 over 2 divided by root 65, sine inverse, 69.1 degrees. Yeah? Did you get that? Do it on the phone? Did you get that? Maybe get off the phone. Okay. Right, so next we can do a calculus or another calculus. There's an exponential and log. There's sequence and series, and there's algebra. So,
That's another test.
hang on, you're thinking calculus, you're thinking
Another test.
another trigonometry?
No, another test.
Yeah, but what type of question?
Calculus.
Same thing. Anyone else? Trigonometry, calculus, sequence and series, exponential and logs, what do we want? What do you think, Pony? You would like logs? Leon?
No.
You're not just saying that because Pony said it, no?
No.
Okay. I think logs would be good, and then next time we'll start with a calculus, okay? Yeah? Right, so let me just zoom in a bit here for you. There you go. A radioactive substance decays over time. It has an original mass of 8 kilograms and its mass m after t years has the form m equals ae power minus 0.04 t. So what's nice about this question is what? They give you the k. Isn't that nice? So I think this will be easier than the last one. See what you can do. First part. In fact, the first part should only take 1 minute.
Yeah.
Tis. So, the first part is just 8. You have m equals ae, what's the power? T. So, they tell you that's 8 at the start, so that means 8 equals ae0. So, a is 8 kilograms. Yes, okay. What's the mass after 12 years? This question isn't so long. We might have time to do the calculus as well. Okay, have we got the second part? What did we get? You got an answer? What'd you get? I'm going to tell me. Don't be shy. Is it still positive? Is it less than 8? Then you're probably right. What did you get? Correct. Yes. So for this one, the mass will be 8e minus 0.0412, which will be 4.95 kilograms. Yeah. Find the time taken for the mass to reach half its original value. You got an answer? Is your answer more than 12? You got an answer? What's up? I suppose it is. What's wrong with that? You should have an extra interest in physics. Just saying. Okay. Got that now? Pony? Yeah. Nina? Malik? Calculating? So, I hope you figured out that it's basically asking you for when the mass is 4. So, what should I do first? Divide by 8. So that's 4 over 8. And then what's next? And then what happens here? They cancel. And then what's next? Divide by minus 0.04. So if you type this in on your calculator, you will get the 2. So let's see what we got. Log 0.5 divided by minus 0.04, and your t is 17.3 years. Well, hang on, I just have to read the question. Is this not it? Yeah? Now, let's just see what they say. I don't see a need to round it off because there's nothing wrong with 17.3 years, you know. Let me just double check here. Raining again, huh?
I like this 7.1.
That's 17 years and 120 practically days. 17 years, 17 weeks, and 1 day. Of course, I don't expect you to do that in the exam. Now, the only reason I'm doing this is to show you that there's nothing conceptually wrong with 0.3 here. It just gives you a more accurate time. Yeah. Okay. I wonder actually what they did in the marking scheme. Let's have a look. I really don't think it was like this. You never know. Which number was this now? Let's see. Was it 3? Yeah. Yeah. 17.3. Okay. Right. 3 equations. So just the first one, please. That first one shouldn't take too long to do, and it's only supposed to be 2 marks. Okay? No, okay. Okay. Can I do it? So, just read out the equation to me, please. Hang on a sec, sorry. What is it? 4 equals 2. So that means log x3 4 equals 2, which is 81? Yeah. Log x 81 equals 2. So x to the power of 2 is to equal 81. So that means x equals 9. Okay? 2 marks. Kind of a lot, I guess, for 2 marks. Right, try the second one there. Now they, yeah. No, it's okay, go on. Second one there. You have it? Okay. Continue. 32 power x equals 256. 32 power x equals 256, isn't it? Now there's a couple of ways to do this. You can use logs. I think you have to use logs. No, you can do this without logs? Okay. 2, 4, 8, 16. This is 2 power 5, isn't it? Power x. Oh, and this is 16 squared, isn't it? Oh, which is also 4, 2. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I can do it in my head. Hang on. This is 16 squared, which is the same as 4 squared squared, which is the same as 2 squared squared squared, which is 2 power 8. Fantastic. 2 power 8. So 2 power 5x equals 2 power 8. 5x equals 8. X equals 8 over 5. Yeah. Okay. Before you do the last part, what is the mistake they've made in the question? Thank you. Yes, the x should be bigger than 5 because here this needs to be positive and this needs to be positive, therefore x needs to be bigger than 5. So in fact this is a mistake here. Only accept answers bigger than 5. Okay, see what you can do with this one. Yeah, you have it here? We'll just give the people who aren't as awesome as you a chance to do it then. Yeah, no, that's okay. Yeah, I'm sure you get this a lot. Yeah. So are we feeling a little bit better about semester 1?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Why did they take on electricity?
Yeah, I think it was a mistake.
Yeah, it's better than
They don't, believe it or not, they don't ask for my opinion when they make decisions like this. So the September students, I didn't teach the business students in September, so I don't know how it compares with the previous year. And the syllabus is very similar. The big difference is just that the final exam includes both semesters. I don't know. You'll have to ask the other maths teacher.
Did they do well or no?
I don't know. I don't teach them, so I don't care about them. True story. And I teach you, and you know, I care a little. So.
You won't care what no?
I care a little. I taught in September the engineering students.
Did they do well?
You know, engineering students, they always do well, with some exceptions though. Okay, we have the last part finished? Yeah? Let's have a look at it. So, Nina, can you just give me the equation? What is it? Log log x.
No, 5.
Log, let's start again. X.
Six.
Log 6 x.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you. Log 6 x minus 5 equals 2. That's it? Yep. So what should we do first? Multiply, yeah, because this is log 6 x minus 5 equals 2. Yeah. So that's log 6 x squared minus 5x equals 2. So that means, Albert, what's wrong with you? You are okay? You're good? You're listening? 6 power 2 equals x squared minus 5x. So that means x squared minus 5x minus 36 equals 0. 6 and 6, no. 5 and 7, no. 9 and 4. X minus 9, x plus 4 equals 0. So x equals 9 or minus 4. But x should be bigger than 5. So therefore x equals 9 and we rejected it. Open your notebook back up. And then I wasn't even thinking about finishing. Okay. So hang on, Malik, we still have 60 seconds left. Maybe we can get in a quick section A question. Oh, relax, would you? Relax.
Let's put 8 box.
Go on, do this one. This is really short. This will take you 1 minute. Ooh, I'd like to look at this one. Next time we'll do it. What's wrong with him, John White? Yeah, I know. Is it the rain? It's affecting his brain. Is it what's wrong with you today, Albert? Right, what's first? X squared. So this is x cubed minus x squared. I subtract and I'm left with x squared minus 1. What's next?
X squared.
X just.
X. Just X.
Just x. Yeah?
Yes.
And then I have x squared minus x. So what am I left with now?
X minus 1.
So here is?
1.
Yeah.
Student, that's minus x. So it's
Huh? What's wrong?
minus.
Here is
Yeah.
minus, true. And here is plus.
Why?
Because here is minus.
Oh.
Is okay? Wait, where are we to be? What's your next class?
We have a break.
For how long?
1 hour.
And then?
2 hours with journal.
Okay, tomorrow we'll look at calculus and then I like the look of this section A question. I think we'll do that one tomorrow.
An hour.